Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to add admin to your YouTube channel. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to easily add someone as admin for your YouTube channel. First of all, open YouTube and click on your profile photo at the top right and open YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio, click on Settings and here select Permissions. And now to add someone to your YouTube channel, click on Invite and enter here the user email address whom you want to give access. And then click on this Access drop down. If you want to add an admin, here you have to select the manager role, and this manager role is the highest role. Manager can view everything. Manager can manage permissions, go live, and create video, short, edit, and delete content. So all you have to need, select here manager, and then click on done. And an invitation will send to the user email address. After accepting the invitation, they will be able to handle your YouTube channel as a admin or manager. And make sure to click on save. And now you have to verify yourself. So click on proceed. And here you have to verify your Gmail account. So enter here your account password and click on next. And that's it. This is how we can add an admin or manager to our YouTube channel. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.